Your body isn't aging badly, it's living in a home that's aging it faster. Japan has some of the longest living, leanest people on Earth, not because of a secret diet, but because of 7 things you'll almost never find inside their homes. Stay till number 7 for a 2-minute audit, so you know exactly what's quietly working against your body. Trust me. Number 4 is something almost every one of you is sitting on right now. Let's begin. Number 1, a pantry stocked just in case. Family bags of chips, backup cereal, snacks, bought for guests who never came. Japanese kitchens are stocked fresh for a day or 2, not a month. A full pantry makes your brain treat food as always available, so you eat on impulse, not hunger. The shift, buy for days, not weeks. Number 2, a fridge built for bulk. Giant jugs, family packs, oversized leftovers. Japanese fridges are small on purpose. Food is portioned into single servings, so your eyes and stomach agree on what enough looks like. The shift, portion meals the moment you cook or buy them. Your eating habits are already shifting. Now, the living room, where number 4 is waiting. Number 3, wall-to-wall carpet, rare in Japan. Standard here, carpet traps dust and dander that trigger low-grade inflammation every time you breathe. One of the biggest quiet accelerants of aging and joint pain. The shift, HEPA vacuum weekly, keep it dry. Number 4, the oversized recliner. Here it is. Deep, soft seating that lets your core and stabilizing muscles switch off completely for years. That's directly tied to the stiff back and slow to stand feeling people over 40 assume is just aging. It isn't aging, it's disuse. The shift, spend part of your day in firm, upright, unsupported seating. Now something more personal, your bathroom shelf, and it might be undoing your anti-aging routine. Number 5, 10-step skincare loaded with synthetic fragrance. Japanese skincare leans toward fewer products, used consistently with fragrance used sparingly. Many synthetic fragrance compounds irritate the skin barrier and mildly disrupt hormones with regular exposure, quietly working against the very results you want. The shift, fewer products, fragrance-free where you can, use consistently. Number 6, a cabinet of half-used supplement bottles. The fish oil you started, the vitamin from a headline, the powder that promised energy. Japan's philosophy, Ishoku Dogen, treats food and medicine as one root, consistent whole food first. A scattered supplement cabinet is a record of health decisions made in panic, not patience. The shift, keep only what's backed by your blood work or doctor, taken consistently. Last one, and it affects everything else on this list because it happens while you sleep. Number 7, bright overhead lighting until bedtime. Japanese evenings shift to warm, dim, low light well before bed. Bright light late suppresses melatonin, not just your sleep hormone, but a key overnight repair signal. Poor melatonin means slower cellular repair, higher next day cortisol, faster visible aging. The shift, dim the lights an hour before bed. That's all 7. Here's your 2-minute audit. Pick one item from this list. Ask if it's here from habit or intention. If you can't answer, it's habit. Then ask, if I change this tonight, would my body feel it within a week? For most of this list, the answer is yes. Japanese homes aren't healthier because of a secret ingredient. They've just removed the small, daily frictions working against the body. You don't need a new diet. You need a home that isn't working against the one you already have. Which of these 7 are you looking at right now? Tell me the number in the comments and send this to the one person who's always chasing the next diet when the answer might be sitting in their own living room.